Welcome students. I am Kyle Willy from the Department of Computer Science. Before we are see the topic, I give riddle. Okay students, are you ready to find the riddle? Shall we go? I can cut your nails, but I am not a nail cutter. I can move myself, but I am not a animals. I can control by program, but I am not a computer. I am a machine that look and act like a human being, but I am not a human. Are you find it? Who am I? Yes, I am robot. Today we are going to see about robot. Let's see important parts of robot. There are three important parts in the robot. They are controller, the mechanical parts, sensor. Let we see briefly. The first one is controller. This is controller is also known as the brain, which is run by a computer program. The controller is called the brain of the robot. It have computer program. The controller give command for moving part of robot. The second one is mechanical part. Motor, piston, gripper, wheel, gears. These are moving parts of robot. But the mechanical part cannot work without controller commands. These mechanical parts are used for robot move, lift, grip, turn. The third one, sensor. The sensor is a device. It is used for detect and response. The sensor detect light, heat, motion, moisture and pressure. Then it will perform action. Many sensors are available. Here we will see the example of IR sensor. This is IR sensor. The IR sensor detect the motion and measure the heat of an object. Let's see how it works. Here IR sensor detect the human hand movement, so it perform the action. Next we see how robots will be energized. Human or get energy from food to do the work. The robot or get energy from power source to do the work. Most commonly used power source for energizing robots are electrical power, solar power, battery power. There are most power sources are available, but now we are using the three power source alone. These power sources are differ to robot size. Let's see the example. The first one, electric powered. In this type of robot get powered by electricity. The second one, solar power. What is solar power? It get powered from sun. In this type of robot get powered by solar power. Third one is battery powered. In this type of robot get power from battery. Next we see, do I take rest? Robot need take any rest? No. It just a machine. Human get sick, but the robot never get sick. Human need food, but the robot don't need food. Human need sleep, but robot don't need sleep. Human complain others, but the robot don't complain ever. Next we are discuss about the application of robot. The robot are used in many field. There are agriculture field, medical field, industries, space, then military. Let's see the example one by one. The first one is agriculture robot. In this type of robot used to plowing the land. Let's see. The second one, medical robot. In this type of robot used to supply the medicine and it help to the doctor and patient. Let's see. The third one is industrial robot. In this type of robot used to pick and arrange the product. Let's see. The fourth one is space robot. This type of robot used to research the planet. Let me see. The fifth one is military robot. In this type of robot used in war. Let me see. Students, I hope all of you clearly understand about robot. Thank you, students.